long tradition of Café Cagliari, which has brought the high quality of its services, started out in 1909 when Ambrogio Cagliari opened in Modena the first store for roasting and tasting coffee after a long stay in Brazil. The deep knowledge and passion for coffee became indispensable ingredients that over 4 generations have transformed the company into a productive and commercial success today. With over 100 years' experience, Café Cagliari is without a doubt one of the most important coffee producers, both for the bar and domestic use distribution in Italy and abroad. Quality research starts from a careful selection of prestigious green coffee types, deriving from the best plantations worldwide. Once they arrive in the Italian ports and after stringent checks and analysis, the green coffee is transported in containers to the Café Cagliari plant, where it is further cleaned and stored in silas. This transportation and storing system is very hygienic and rational compared to the traditional bags. It uses an evolutionary computer system which handles the different types of coffee, managing them in the various production phases, up to packaging. The modern production plant uses the most advanced technology and allows for flexible production to meet market needs. The new coffee roasting machinery called Probat guarantees the perfect roasting of all types of coffee. Café Cagliari is one of the only coffee roasters to use the traditional method of separate roasting, so roasting all varieties on their own first. In this way, all the coffee varieties' organoleptic properties are respected. These properties require time and different cooking temperatures to safeguard the flavour and taste of each bean and keep its aromas. After roasting, the beans are air-cooled and automatically sent to their respective areas for storing. Only at this time, the various types of coffee are mixed together according to well-tested and successful traditional recipes, creating the same blends each time. To guarantee the product's high-quality level, there is a rigid quality control check. There are strict tests and laboratory exams which follow all the single production phases. Very fast packaging times allow for a longer shelf life, keeping the fragrance and aroma intact. Café Cagliari has a prestigious position in the Emilia region and distributes its products at a national and international level. The distribution is carried out through an agent network. The local distribution centres use a fleet of company vehicles to assure frequent deliveries, a punctual service and after-sales service. The company works with the Horeca channel, bars, coffee shops, restaurants, and with the domestic distribution channel, GDO and traditional warehouse, through 2 independent sales organizations with specific sector-related knowledge and business strategies in order to best satisfy both market channel needs. So that we fulfill various customer needs from the production to domestic use, there are completely automatic packaging. These are able to produce a vast range of shapes and types for the different blends. To the commercial market, there is a specific product with technologically advanced packaging, complete with innovative high-pressure, one-way valves. The constant research, which is the basis of the Café Cagliari quality, has brought about a new packaging that is technologically advanced and able to protect and conserve the aromas of its prestigious blends. Whilst the coffee tasting is linked to the aromas, a good cup of coffee has to maintain the typical cocktail of aromas of a freshly roasted coffee as long as possible. To guarantee an aroma that lasts a long time, Goglio Spa, a leader in the research and development of flexible packaging for the coffee industry, has developed a special valve which is one way at high pressure. This valve, used only on coffee beans, maintains the inner high pressure, so not allowing the aromas to be released. Thanks to this special system, over time it guarantees a fresher product compared to EN standard valves, assuring a better conservation of quality aromas. It is this result in the cup that is the most important part for who manages a bar to please his customers. Café Cagliari has chosen to promote and diffuse good coffee by creating a coffee school, a learning centre with teaching rooms and training furnished with modern equipment. The Café Cagliari School is the place for bartenders, restaurant owners, sales teams and those who are passionate about coffee, and journalists. A place where one can learn first-hand about coffee beans and coffee through courses of various levels. There is an internal, fully qualified team and external teachers. The courses covered various aspects of coffee, from preparation to tasting and services. Attendance of these courses allows those who attend them to obtain a diploma. Out of the various courses at the school, there are perfectioning courses in Italian espresso, a course available to those who want to follow it in order to serve a real certified Italian espresso in their bar. The certification of the Café Cagliari Italian Espresso is passed by INEI, Italian Espresso National Institute, in collaboration with the International Institute of Coffee Tasters, IAC. The aim is to protect in Italy and the rest of the world the Italian espresso, defining the parameters as being qualitative and sensorial. Together with other coffee producers and coffee machine producers, Café Cagliari is part of the Istituto Nazionale Espresso Italiano and has certified its blends for professional use. To guarantee the product, bars and restaurants are able to use their premises to serve an Italian espresso certified only when 3 prerequisites are met. These are foreseen by a technical examiner and are: use of a certified coffee blend, use of equipment, coffee machine and roasters which have been certified, preparation by qualified people who have attended and passed the specific training course over 2 days, organized by Café Cagliari. There are also courses offered to bar employees to widen their knowledge and the technicalities of coffee preparation, and on instructions and upkeep of all equipment. The Magia di Caffè course proposes to enrich the coffee menu with the preparation of new recipes and creative proposals. Therefore, it is evident that the courses proposed by the Café Cagliari School are indicators of high-quality product excellence. Café Cagliari wanted to remember the other protagonists, together with the coffee bean, of this excellent and noble Italian tradition, the coffee machine for making espresso. An important witness to the Italian technical and design is the most complete collection of coffee espresso machines from the early 1900s to the 60s. A collection that contains original models which still work and are on show at the Café Cagliari Museum, just a short distance from the Café Cagliari company. It is possible to view the collections of about 100 examples of espresso coffee machines of great historical and design value. Tradition, research, coffee culture and design, all these elements which Café Cagliari has made its own to show how it's possible to taste coffee both with the palate and to the eye.